We're going to explain how to permanently fix the No Such Module Flutter error in XCode. This frustrating error often pops up when working with Flutter projects in XCode, preventing you from building and running your app. Let's tackle this problem systematically. 1. Check your Flutter installation. First, ensure Flutter is correctly installed and configured on your system. Run Flutter Dr. V in your terminal. This command provides a detailed report on your Flutter setup, highlighting any issues. Pay close attention to any errors related to Xcode or the Flutter SDK path. Fix any problems mentioned here, like updating Xcode or ensuring the Flutter SDK path is correctly set in your environment variables. 2. Clean your Xcode project. Xcode sometimes caches old build information that can lead to conflicts. Within Xcode, go to Product Clean Build folder. This removes all generated build files, forcing Xcode to rebuild the project from scratch. After cleaning, try building your project again. 3. Check your project's pod file. This file manages the third-party libraries your Flutter project uses. It's crucial for integrating iOS-specific dependencies. Open your project's iOS pod file and ensure the Flutter SDK is correctly referenced. If you have manually edited this file, verify its contents carefully. Any mistakes here can cause this error. If in doubt, you can safely delete the pod file and the podfile.lock file. Then navigate to the iOS directory in your terminal and run pod install to regenerate them. 4. Run pod install. In your terminal, navigate to your Flutter project's iOS directory, typically found within your project root directory. Then, execute the command pod install. This command installs the necessary CocoaPods dependencies, which are essential for your Flutter project to build successfully in Xcode. Ensure you have CocoaPods installed. If not, install it using sudo gem install CocoaPods. 5. Restart Xcode and your computer. A simple but often overlooked solution is to restart Xcode. This clears Xcode's memory, resolving potential temporary issues. If the problem persists, restart your computer to ensure a clean slate. 6. Update Xcode and Flutter. Outdated versions of Xcode or the Flutter SDK can cause compatibility issues. Check for updates in the App Store for Xcode and run Flutter Upgrade in your terminal to update your Flutter installation to the latest stable version. Updating both often resolves underlying compatibility problems leading to the error. 7. Create a new Flutter project. As a last resort, if all the above steps fail, create a new Flutter project from scratch. This helps eliminate any project-specific issues that might be causing the error. Compare the settings and files of your new project with your problematic project to identify any discrepancies. Remember to thoroughly check each step as we've outlined and carefully follow the terminal commands to ensure the correct execution. If none of these methods resolve the issue, consider seeking help on the Flutter community forums or Stack Overflow, providing details about your setup and the error messages